Looking elegant and polished is not always about money. Do you know you can instantly look expensive with a few easy hacks? These hacks won't even break the bank and are easy to follow. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 8. Invest in tailoring. Starting with the very essential hack, tailoring. Investing in good tailoring services for our outfit is a wise choice for many reasons. Let me demonstrate the importance of investing in alterations and tailoring services for each outfit. Have you ever wondered how the stunning Melania Trump carries elegance wherever she goes? And the beautiful Kate Middleton's timeless charm in her classic attires? Or let's take the example of the stunning Jennifer Lopez, who never let her age define her style. How do these ladies manage to keep elegance in all of their presence? Though this has so many secrets, tailoring remains at the top of the list. These classy ladies invest in tailoring to make sure their outfits fit perfectly on their bodies. They will make a piece look as if it was made for them. Everybody has a different body shape, and the real class is the perfect fit. Elegant ladies never wear outfits in standard sizes. They always prefer customization to ensure they look chic, elegant, and timeless. Where you invest much in purchasing clothes, investing some part on tailoring is no harm. Always prefer customization over ready-to-wear clothes. Trust me, this simple hack will bring immense change in your style, ultimately enhancing your personality and making you look instantly expensive. Number 7. Using a waist belt. Another chic hack most elegant ladies use for instant glow is adding a stylish waist belt to the outfit. This hack works magic, especially for older women. There is a science-backed theory behind using a waist belt as a crucial accessory in your outfit when you're aging. The thing is, the aging process brings a lot of changes in the body type. Our bodies start getting slightly out of shape as we age, ultimately giving us an H shape with equal shoulders, waist, and hips. Using a waist belt at this time is the perfect hack to give our bodies a snatched look. A chic waist belt accentuates the waist area while adding depth and interest to the outfit. It gives our body an hourglass figure-like illusion as it hugs the body in the waist area. The good quality and classic waist belt also upgrades the outfit and makes it look much better than it would have looked without a belt. Like leather belts with a gold buckle, chic belts can add so much more to your outfit than you can imagine. It doesn't only work as a body shaper, but also brings elegance and value to the outfit, and you look perfectly styled. You will notice all the gorgeous ladies, including Kate Middleton, Queen Letizia of Spain, and marvelous Melania Trump, following this hack in their custom-made outfits. Number 6. Invest in Luxe fabrics. Fabrics are crucial in making you look the way you look in any outfit. In fact, fabric has always remained a sign of class among women for ages. In the 18th century, only royal women could access luxe fabrics like silk, tweed, velvet, and other luxury fabrics. Meanwhile, the average fabrics like linen and cotton were limited to lower-class ladies as they were prohibited from carrying fashion like royals. Times have changed, and today we have access to any fashion sense, fabric, and designer we wish to wear. Opting for luxe fabrics that speak rich without words is the best hack for an instant, expensive look. For winters, go for natural fabrics like wool and cashmere, which drape nicely on the body and exude elegance. Avoid overly synthetic materials that can look cheap and shiny. You do not need to buy clothing pieces repeatedly, but you can keep this hack in mind anytime you go shopping next time. You can also achieve a sophisticated look with already available clothing in your closet. Number 5. Go for subtle jewelry. If you think jewelry is just an unnoticeable part of your attire, you might not find it true here. Jewelry is crucial in ornamenting your outfit, lifting it and giving it an instant glam up. Going for tan and antique jewelry can make you look outdated, but here's what you can do to make the right jewelry choice. Invest in subtle jewelry pieces, particularly in silver and gold shades. Look for timeless pieces like gold earrings, chic necklaces, and minimal yet elegant rings. Always prefer delicate and simple designs that look instantly polished. Think delicate necklaces, thin bangles, and statement watches. That said, avoid overly trendy or costume jewelry that is not chic and doesn't even bring any value to your personality. Also, avoid flashy and chunky jewelry pieces. I often see older women wearing chunky necklaces because they think they look cute. It might look good, but it doesn't serve as an elegant investment in your personality. Going for minimal pieces is the best swatch for a more subtle and expensive look. Investing in high designers is unnecessary. You can make wise choices. Trust me, if you have the right sense of fashion, you can even stir and choose elegant items on a budget. Number 4. Pointed toe heels. Heels always remain integral to any elegant outfit, but choosing the right ones can be tricky sometimes. The easiest way to hunt the best heels for you is to select pointed toe heels. There's a good reason for that. Pointed toe heels possess the power to instantly polish your look, making your legs look longer, as well as giving instant comfort to your feet. When we are aging, chunky boots and heavy sneakers can make your legs look wider and shorter. You should avoid these and instead go for pointed toe heels, as they create an illusion that makes your legs look in proper shape, slim and elongated. Let's dive into some inspirations. Most of the time, all royal and classy ladies are seen in pointed toe heels. Take Melania, for example. She complements her outfits with sleek and consciously chosen pointed toe heels. Though her heels are a bit high, limiting practicality to some extent, you can opt for medium heels with the same pointed toe design. You do not even need to go for pencil heels. You can choose low heels that are broader, promoting easy and comfortable walking. The goal is to show the pointed front of the shoes. Throw a pair of wide leg pants with these heels and let the visible toe make a statement with your outfit. Number 3. Set a color palette. Setting a color palette is a pro hack for an instant rich look. Trust me, there are a few colors in the universe that are ultra rich and naturally beautiful. Opting for these shades in your closet can make a huge difference. Firstly, be clear about your neutral color palette. Always keep subtle colors like beige, ivory, cream, charcoal, caramel, and brown in your wardrobe. Keep these shades in your timeless basics and make a statement with other rich tones. Tones like burgundy, emerald, and navy sound ultra rich and can be styled as the center of attention in your outfit. You can create majestic blends of these ultra rich tones with neutral tones. Imagine the spectacular combo of timeless burgundy and subtle grey, a perfect blend of sophistication, elegance, and richness. There are so many options for pairing these two shades. You can create a contrast between one outfit and the other's accessories. For instance, go for a grey base and steal the spotlight with leather burgundy accessories. Take another combo, for example, navy with cream. These two shades seamlessly blend, making you look instantly polished and rich. Number 2, stay minimal. Minimalism is an art that shouts richness without words. This is that one timeless hack that will never disappoint you, no matter your age group. Classy women look rich because they do not try to go extra with their looks. They understand that authentic elegance is simple and the best choice for one's fashion sense. Minimalism comes from a classy mindset, and not everyone understands the power of simplicity. Here's a hack for staying minimal with your looks. Do not try to put everything on or anything you can find trendy. Keep your look simple, subtle, and clean. Choose minimal outfits and go for minimal accessories. Do not make anything look out of proportion in your attire. Create a seamless balance among your outfit's accessories, clothing pieces, and colors. For instance, a chic belt is enough to accessorize your outfit. Do not overdo it with lots of accessories. As discussed earlier, keep colors minimal and choose sophisticated shades for dresses. If you want to wear prints, choose chic ones like stripes, check prints, and subtle polka dots. Avoid too much vibrancy and gigantic prints. The same goes for the shoes. Avoid flashy fashion shoes like chunky boots, sneakers with too many colors, vague heels, and heavily embellished shoes. Make your choice as classy as you want to stay. Opting for a minimal pair of chic white sneakers makes all the difference. Number 1. Confidence and posture. No matter how elegant an outfit you are wearing, if your personality doesn't portray confidence and a well-established posture, you stand nowhere. This hack is the backbone of all the hacks discussed so far. Confidence and posture are crucial in presenting yourself in front of the world. A confident personality speaks in class without having to say anything. On the other hand, an unconfident person can never achieve elegance and a classy aura, no matter how hard she tries. Learn to maintain a good posture, whether standing, sitting, talking, or walking. Your posture should be relaxed, confident, and elevated to adjust in all settings. Some tricks include keeping your back straight, the chin a bit higher, and your hands perfectly positioned on your side or lying relaxed on your legs. Keep confidence in your words, walk, and talk. Be sure what you are doing and saying. Only speak words that you can take accountability for. It helps a lot with your confidence, instantly boosting your personality and giving you a rich air. Other hacks like making a statement in your outfit, opting for sleek, elegant, and structured handbags, upgrading your basics from mediocre to statement pieces, and taking inspiration from classy women are other valuable tricks for an instant, expensive look. Do not compare yourself with anyone. Taking inspiration and comparing yourself with others are two different things. Everyone is unique. You cannot be someone, and somebody cannot be you. You are unique in your way, and trust me, these tricks can boost your confidence even further. Would you like to make additional hacks for an instant expensive look? Help your mates in the comments below. Plus, this video on the screen can help you further achieve an elegant lifestyle. Look and see how easy it is to be called a classy woman. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one.